In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create letterhead in Microsoft Word. A clean professional letterhead puts your brand front and center on every document you send, and the quickest way to get one is by starting from a built-in template rather than designing everything from scratch. First, open Microsoft Word and head to the File tab. You'll find it in the upper left corner of the window. This opens Word's Backstage view, where you manage documents and create new ones. If your screen looks a bit different depending on your version of Word or whether you're on Windows or Mac, don't worry. The File tab always takes you to the area where new templates live. From there, look for the option labeled More Templates. You might see a handful of featured designs right away, but selecting More Templates takes you into the full gallery. This is where Word shines, because it can pull in fresh, professionally designed layouts. If you want the widest selection, make sure you're connected to the internet so Word can surface the newest options available. At the top of the template gallery, use the search box and type Letterhead. Press Enter, and Word will filter the results to designs specifically created for letterheads. If your organization uses a particular page size, keep that in mind while browsing. Many templates indicate whether they're set for letter or A4. You can also skim thumbnails to find styles that match your brand mood, whether that's modern and minimal, colorful and bold, or traditional and formal. If you don't see what you want on the first try slight variations like business letterhead or company letterhead in the same search box. When you find a design that feels right, select the template to open its preview. Take a moment to review the layout, where the logo sits, how the contact information is arranged, the color accents, and the fonts. Check the description if one is provided, especially for notes about compatibility or included elements. If everything looks good, choose to create a document from that template. Word will generate a new file that's already formatted as a letterhead, with placeholder text and shapes arranged for you. That's all there is to it. Go to File, open More Templates, search for Letterhead, and select the template you like. Starting with a solid foundation saves time and helps keep your documents consistent. Once your template opens, you'll be ready to add your own branding and details and put it to work right away.